Hi there, Rupert, doing good. So here I am with an update, and this is basically a Excel to Microsoft Word workflow automation. So here what we are doing, we have a master file with some fields, and this is a pivot table where we are filtering some things using the slicers, which are being, I think these are easy to use, and you can see the visual thing and select. So you don't need to go into the filters, and obviously you can select the date range like this by clicking any of the end so that as soon as the arrow becomes two direction, you can just click and drag it on the lateral right to select the dates. So currently this is selecting from February 15th to February 19th, 2023. And currently we are selecting status for ADO. Let me select all of these. So how you can select all of these, you can click one and drag it down, or you can click one if you want to select one. You can see the pivot table is updating. So I'm selecting all of these and I'm selecting all of these cycles as well. So now we have all the data available from the master sheet in a tabulated format. Now, as you can see, I have confirmed this from the master sheet as well. There are some patients which do not have the doctor name. So these will get skipped because if we do not have a doctor name, we have to skip it as we have the template document with the doctor. So once this is done, I have prepared some format on the right side with some calculations and formulas. Now I'll give you the demo for the quick generation of the documents. Once you are certified, then I'll automate the whole process. Currently, I've automated I fixed the document, the template document, and the workflow automation between these two. But the manual working is still need to be automated. So once you will confirm, I'll do that rest of these. Okay, so let me show you the document generation. Currently, I have stopped it, so it will generate 4 documents currently, so that I can show you the demo. And let me show you. So you can see there are some doctors, but these will no doctors, so these will get skipped. So if I'll click this generate document button, it will start generating. Regarding the status and cycle to be added in the file name, I need to use those as a value so that I can find out, okay, this doctor is belongs to this cycle. Currently, we are selecting all of these, so the pivot table have a limitation that either a status can be in the filter or in the rows or column on the values. So if I'll use those as values, those will get the numbers, not the actual text. So yeah, there is a limitation. We cannot use the status cycle as we are using multiple cycles. So we have to identify which doctor has or which patient has which cycle. For that, we need to use it in rows, but we cannot. As soon as I'll transfer this into rows, the filter will get removed. Let me show you quickly. So here you can see these are the fields. So if I'll use the status as the column so that I can use it for the further modification, you can see this the and let me add this cycle in the rows as well. You see, as soon as I added those as fields, those got removed from the filter which we do not want. So I'll undo it. Let me get back. So I have added the timestamp. Let me open two documents quickly and show you the working. I have added, you can see the file name is with the date, time, and the document number we just generated. So we have generated 4 documents, and here you can see this is the first document with Dr. Ajay Naidu, and here you can see only one entry is available. Let me open the other document. So this one has also one entry. Let me let me open others and find if we have any document with more than one entries. Yeah, we have two. So in this document, in this doctor, we have two entries. So this is it, and let me make some different in the selection and then run it again. Okay, so now I'll be running the X only, maybe cycle 3, 1 by 3, and cycle 2. If I start again, you will see the automation might generate the same doctor again, but that will overlap because of the timestamp availability in this. So now I'll be sorting it by the last modified, and this is the new document, number 4 generated, and this will also have one. Mhm. So two fields, let's open this one field. So for some reason, we are lucky that we are unable to see more than one entry. Let me select something different and generate the documents again. All right, so we have a new document. Let's open this one. Oops, so this is basically already open and I'm trying to open again. Let me close these, right? So if we open all of these at once, let's see if we have any difference. Okay, yeah, great. We have some entries. This is all 1445, 24, and we have multiple entries in this one. Same doctor, one patient, multiple entries. This patient has only one drug. This patient has four. Yep, I think that's a good view. Great. So this doctor has one patient with two drugs, one doctor, one patient, one drug, and we have this one. Great. Okay, so one doctor, this four patients, one first patient with five drugs, one patient, second patient with one drug, third patient with four drugs, and fifth patient with two drugs. So you can see it's working perfectly fine, dynamically working, and the doctor name is also changing. Let's confirm this Dr. Ashley Naidu if we have. So yeah, so we have this doctor. Yep, perfect. So we have this patient with number of five documents, five drugs. Yep, we have these. You can match these. Perfect, perfect. Another three, Zofran, and then another two. Okay, so that is it from my side. This is working fine. Please let me know if you need any further assistance, if you want to make any changes so that I can hard code these things and I can deliver it to you so that you can use it with any of the files. So what you need to do, just make a copy of the database with the master sheet and the Word output, and I'll give you, yeah, I think the better way would be if you can just copy paste the master data. That is it. Just copy paste, just replace this data and use this document, this file, Excel file as a template of the Excel file with the automation, and just click this button and it will generate the document for you. I can set up this whole setup. I can sit with you on a Zoom call and set up everything. So please let me know when you are available. Looking forward for your response. Take care.